What's going on, guys?
Hey man, we're kicking.
Just working on the Cuda. We got her on the rotisserie, obviously, so it's one step closer to the body shop. I'm just doing some rust repair, as well as we're shaving the drip rail and all the windshield molding. So it's gonna be flush mount glass to kind of mimic the modern Challengers and modern cars. So we're just going around and I'm kind of form fitting these pieces, 3 individual pieces, and then we're grinding it so we can have a nice round lip. That way we can retain the original inner trim for the Cuda. So we're gonna keep the original inner trim, and then I'll have a nice flush mount edge all the way around. That way you don't see any seam seal or weird seam from the factory. If you come around the other side, I actually got it all finished and ground down, so you can kind of check it out and see what I'm talking about. So now we got no more rust and it's all been flushed in. So when that molding goes on, you got a nice smooth edge all the way around.
Well, it's all at that stage once again where it's just time and effort's got to go into it. Yeah. So. Yeah, it's just one of those things. Here we are. We were hoping in July because it's going to take a couple of test runs and whatnot. And there's a few big Mopar shows in August that I have to get it to, so, or I'd like to get it to.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see what happens.
I've ordered on that list too is the grill, the honeycomb grill that we're going to put in some of the areas. The remainder of the silicone hoses to redirect the air on this side, I've got those ordered, and a lot of little things, but I'll forward you those parts list, and I'll keep plugging away, doing all the metal work, and once it goes in there, it's going to start moving along fast, but it'll be nice to see the interior starting to get
so
some.
I'll go talk to you.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep.
Very good.
Awesome, Martin.
Thank you.
Good to see you again. Yep, dude.